Hello families, today we will be doing Lesson 21, Session 3. The students will be developing their understanding of tens and ones. If you don't already have out your tens blocks and your ones, please take those out. If you made them out of paper, please use those also. If you have not made them, please take a moment to use some paper to make some 10 blocks and some ones. The 10 blocks can be made into strips of rectangles and the ones can be used made out of like small little squares of paper. If you need to pause the video, please do so. So first what we're going to be doing is using base 10 blocks. We're going to choose any 2-digit number and we're going to show our number as tens and ones in different ways. So the number that we're going to choose is the number 23. So on the line right here, please write the number 23. Then draw a line right here to divide that part of the paper in half, because over on one side we're going to show 23 using tens and ones, and on the other side of the paper we're going to show 23 using tens and ones in a different way. So when you look at the number 23, you see that the number 23 has 2 tens and 3 ones. So over here on this side of the paper, we're going to draw 2 tens and 3 ones. Now, how can we show 23 a different way? Well, when you take one of your tens away and you break that 10 into ones, you're going to show the number 23 in a different way. So what you could do right now is take away this 10, move it up here, and turn that into 10 ones. So then when you move your pieces over here, you're going to have 1 10. You're going to have your 10 ones because you broke this one up into 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're still going to have your 3 other ones here. So you still need to draw 1, 2, 3. All you did was take this 10 right here and you split it into 10 ones. So over here, 2 tens and 3 ones is 23. And when you count what you have over here, you have 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ones, you still have 23 because you would count like this: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So this right here is showing 2 different ways to make the number 23. Moving on to number 21. What we're going to do here is we're going to circle the different ways to show 53. Notice the clue word in the sentence, ways. Ways has a plural S at the end of it. That means there's going to be more than one to circle. So what you're going to want to do is count each of these to see how many they have. And then you're going to circle which one shows 53. So when I look here, I see 1, 2, 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. When I count that, that's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Does the number 35 show 5 tens and 3 ones? No, it does not. It shows 3 tens and 5 ones. So you're not going to circle that. Let's look at the next one. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 1, 2, 3 ones. When you go back to count that, you would count it like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. 5 tens and 3 ones is a way to show the number 53. So you are going to circle that. Then you're going to count your last picture. Here you have 3 tens, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. You have 3 tens and 23 ones. How many is that altogether? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So this shows 53. Even though you have 3 tens and 23 ones, you still have 53. This is just a different way to show the number 53. So you're going to circle that also. Then flip the paper over. And now we're going to be showing 2 different ways to make numbers. So when we look at number 2, here's our base 10 blocks. Here is how many there are, but we need to show 2 different ways to make the number 62. So first, when I count this, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So on the line right here, you're going to write 5 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 tens and 12 ones is a different way to show the number 62. Now, when I look at the number 62, how many tens are in the number 62? We always remember to look at the first digit in the number. That is the number in the tens place. So in the number 62, you have 6 tens, and then the number in the ones place is always the last number in the 2-digit number. So then you have 2 ones. So 2 different ways to make the number 62 is with 5 tens and 12 ones, or you could do 6 tens. Watch how I'm going to do this. When I look at my ones right here, I can see that this is a group of 10. So what I'm going to do is circle that. So now I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, just like in the number 62, and 2 ones. So I just showed 2 different ways to make the number 62. Now you'll notice as we move to the number 3, they don't give you how many there are here. So what you're going to want to do first is count how many there are in all right here, and then write the number on the line. Then you're going to show 2 different ways that you can make that number. All right, here we go. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So on the line right here, you're going to write the number 75. Then go back and count. How many tens are there? And you're going to write that number on the line. And how many ones are there? And you're going to write that number on the line here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. There's 4 tens and 35 ones. Sorry, that is a 5 right there. Now, I'm going to go back and I'm going to circle my tens so that I can make this easier to count to show a different way to make 75. So I know that there's 5 right here and 5 right here. 5 and 5 is 10. So I'm going to circle these two groups together to show another 10. So here is a 10. Here is another 10. And here is another 10. So now when I go back to count how many tens and ones there are, I'm going to count like this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like in the number 75. There's 7 tens and 5 ones. All right, moving on to number 4, we're going to do the same things for number 4 and 5. Let's first count how many there are in all. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So on the line right here, you're going to write the number 40. Then go back and count. How many tens? 1, 2, 3 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 tens and 10 ones is 40. But what's another way that I can make 40? Well, I can look at the number 40 and see how many tens and ones there are. I also could go back to my picture and I know that these are both two groups of 5. So if I circle those, I now have how many groups of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 10. How many ones do I have? 0. Just like in the number 40, there's 0 ones. So 4 tens and